Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. I don't usually post on Saturdays, but I figured I was going to go ahead and jump on here real quick, make a quick video, and go over my May P&L trading options. So you guys saw I made a video about my year-to-date performance, which was January through April. We're up around $11,000 in that account. So a decent return, about $2,500 a month, some months up, some months down, but a pretty good return. Of course, like I always say in this channel, I'm not a millionaire. I don't make millions trading. I'm just here trying to provide some education, showing you guys how I trade, hopefully teaching you something. And along the way, I try to stay transparent for everyone out there that is watching. So we did the year to date, which was January through April. In today's video, we're going to do May, and I'm going to show you how I performed in May. As you guys probably know, it was a very choppy month, and this month was more about defense than anything else for me personally. You guys may know Umar. He's another trader on YouTube, and if you're watching these channels, I'm sure you watch him as well. And something that he really instills in people a lot is that sometimes you have to play defense in the stock market. This month, more than anything for me, was about playing defense, and I really appreciate how he says that because it really resonates with me, because not every single month you're going to make a ton of money, and if you don't lose your money and you protect your capital, in my opinion, that is a win. So as you guys can probably already hint, May was not the best month for me, basically flat on the month, didn't make any money at all, but still I want to show it to you guys, talk a little bit about the P&L, so let's go ahead and jump into that. So we have the interactive brokerage account pulled up here. Before we get into this, I want to say if you see any black boxes on your screen, please just know that I am blurring out my account number. If you're familiar with IB, then you'll know that's where the account numbers are. If not, I just want to let you know that's why there are black boxes on your screen. So getting into this video, like I said in the intro, May was a difficult month. It was very choppy, very volatile, and I started finding myself having a lot of difficulty trading some of the setups that I like. Once I realized that, I really sat back and realized that this may be one of those months where you have to play defense. And a quote that I saw online is you have to keep your gunpowder dry. Keeping your gunpowder dry, keeping that cash in your account will ensure that you are around when better opportunities present themselves. And June has already proven to be better opportunities. Some of the meme stocks going, some stocks like Nvidia, which have had beautiful breakouts, beautiful continuations, and those are the days that I want to be around and I want to be trading. A lot of May was a lot of choppiness and a lot of difficulty to make some money. So, like I said, I kept my gunpowder dry in May, and we'll go ahead and look at that. But looking at your screen here, this is June so far, so this is month to date. So far, we're having a much better month to date. We're up about $2,300, so a nice return. On the 1st of May, on the 1st of June, $6,700. Had a nice day up to $7,780. Had a really small green day, just about flat to $7,830. And then on Friday, we had a great day up to $9,080, thanks to Nvidia, thanks to AMC. So a really nice performance so far, about 34% in the month of June, about $2,300. So I'm happy about June. Let's go ahead and see if I can continue this. But first, let's get into this report. Let's get into May's performance. So I'm going to go up to reports here. I'm going to go to statements. We'll go ahead and wait for this to load. It takes a little bit of a second to load. There we go. So you're going to see a black box. This is my account number. It's blacked out. So I'm going to go to MTM Summary. This is on Interactive Brokers where you can see your performance. So we're going to go to MTM Summary. We're going to go to monthly. We're going to go to May, and then we're going to go ahead and run this. So here is the report for Interactive Brokers for May. You can see May 1st through May 31st, and we're going to go down to positions and mark to market profit and loss. So here are all the trades that I've taken. So we'll go down to the bottom and we'll go ahead and see how I did. So my profit was $2,500.76. If you subtract my commissions, which were pretty high, $1,800 in commissions, and the total win for the month was $106. So nothing too impressive, right? $106 for the entire month of May. Like I said, guys, not the best month. $106 to me is a flat month, but overall, I'm happy about it. The reason I'm happy about it is because I didn't lose a lot of money. Obviously, I'm here to make money as a trader. I'm here to be profitable month after month. That is my goal. But if I have to take a month like this, $106 gain, and realize that it was a difficult month, sit back, take a step back, take a breather, and see $100 and $106 as my P&L, I will take it. I know that I played defense. I know that I didn't overexpose my account. I stayed within my risk management, and just really, it just wasn't a great month for me. a lot of choppiness, a lot of the styles that I trade, these quick moves, taking these quick profits with some of these scalp option trades was not the best in the month. And that's my P&L, guys. So $106 for May. That's how much I made. And we'll just have to move on from it. We'll learn from it. We'll see the mistakes that I made, why I wasn't profitable, what I did wrong, and we'll move forward. June, so far, great. I want to continue to be on the trajectory that I'm having. Within 5 days, I've made about $2,500. So if I can continue this trajectory, it will be a great month. From this point forward in June, I'm just going to focus on not overexposing myself and not losing the profit that I've made. So guys, that's just about all that I have for you in today's video. Just being transparent, showing you how my month of May went. Nothing too exciting, but really, I'm happy I didn't lose a lot of money because I could have very easily chased opportunities, tried to find stuff that wasn't there, and really stepped back on my year so far. $106 is a nice little flat month. I was able to learn, I was able to entertain myself with trading and still make a little bit of a profit, so it is what it is, and I'll just take it and learn from it. June so far is a great month. There's been a lot more opportunities, and I hope that I can continue to take advantage of those opportunities this month if they continue to show themselves. So with all of that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the transparency here on the channel. I'm going to make a video tomorrow with some of the stocks that I'm watching. We're going to do our Sunday technical analysis, so make sure to stick around for that. Every single day of next week, we're going to be live streaming in the morning. You guys can come hang out for that as well. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.